Essential skill number 11 for you to succeed as a business owner is to understand payroll, is to understand enough about payroll. Okay, even if you're just by yourself, depends on the country you're in. Okay, you might be required by the tax law to write yourself a paycheck. Okay, on a regular basis, once a week or once a month, depends on where you live. Okay, and then taxes and other deductions will be taken out of it. All right, and you could learn the nitty-gritties of it, or you could get smart and hire a outside payroll service. Right, if you're small. And if you grow to something big enough, you might want to have an in-house payroll person. Okay, you don't need to know every small detail, but you need to know enough about payroll. All right, this employee needs his alimony deducted. That employee needs his child support deducted. That employee works in this state, but he lives in the neighboring state, and so on and so forth. So this is something that you need to understand enough so you can work with a outside payroll processing company or work with an in-house payroll professional who is one of your employees. So that is another essential skill that you need to have, right? Which is to understand enough about payroll, the laws, the taxations relating to payrolls, so you can deal with it. You don't need to become an expert of it yourself. And that is actually not the best use of your time. And in my humble opinion, I do not recommend you becoming an expert in payroll, because you could get sucked into it and you end up just being a paper pusher, expert in payroll, unless you want to start a payroll business and processing payroll for other small business owners. If your business is not payroll, it's not accounting, I do not recommend you do it yourself. I recommend you hire an outside payroll company. But once again, it's boring. I know it's boring, it's tedious, but you need to learn and understand enough about it so you can have a conversation, you can collaborate, you can work with the outside payroll company or your in-house payroll person. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So this way, when I release new educational videos, you will be notified and you will be the first to learn. And also, make sure you send this video to as many people as possible so we can all learn and grow together and help each other to grow together. We're in this together. And if you need private coaching, business consulting, or training, feel free to contact me. And my contact details are linked below.